Hello guys, this is Keith Johnson. Welcome to the final video for your website training setup. What we've done is we've officially set up your Instant Rewards Network site. This is my site, so unless you are being personally referred by me, do not go on my site. But this is my site, instantrewardsnetwork.com/MeganGood77. Now that's a cute site. We got it set up in about 2-3 minutes. We created a username for it and we registered for the site and got it up and running like that. And what separates my site from your site is that username. Now, this is cute. It's a free site. It's great, but it's a little bit lengthy. So what I recommend you guys to do is get you a domain, okay? And there are hundreds of sites, website companies out there that specialize in website hosting and domains and web tools and all kind of things for your internet needs. And if you're a work at home agent and you have an online site, you definitely want to have a domain, which will give you that special touch, okay? What a domain is simply you're allowed to create an original name for your website, okay? Something that would look cute on a business card or flyer, simple to say and easy to spell, and preferably relate back to your opportunity you're involved with. So you would go to GoDaddy.com. They're a global company, millions of customers, and they have 24/7 support, English-speaking representatives always willing to help you. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to get a domain and also how to forward your domain to your website, okay? Um, you could, it's like setting up an email account. You think of something creative. For example, partner. My name is Keith Johnson, so I would probably choose something like partnerwithkeithjohnson.com, or you can come up with something else. You could do instant payday checks.com or something, something along that line. We could, bounce ideas back and forth all day, but pick a domain. I choose to do, let's say, workwithkeithjohnson.com. Okay, and you're going to hit go, and that's pretty easy. Keith might be a little bit difficult to spell. People don't know that the E comes before the I, but you get it. It's showing it is available, so you're going to add that to your cart. All right. You're also going to continue to check out. Hit no thanks. Now, if you've already done this step and you've already gotten a domain, then you already have an existing account. Go ahead and do that. But if you did not do GoDaddy before on that offer, when you were going through your registration with Instant Rewards, then go ahead and start fresh and go ahead and do this. Now, it'll have the term set for 2 years. You can do 1 year if you like. Dial that back down to 1 year, and it'll be about $15 a year for a domain, which is not bad. And if you're a new customer, you'll hit continue and go ahead and proceed with filling out the information. You may want to write this stuff down, or when you get a confirmation email, bookmark it in a folder. Make sure you have a dedicated email folder for everything Instant Rewards related, okay? Stay organized. Make sure you keep track of all your passwords and PIN numbers and all that. Now, because I already have an existing account, I'm just going to simply log into my account, and I'll give you an example of my domain. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how you can connect workwithkeithjohnson.com, and when they put that in there, this will pop up. Okay, so they'll see workwithkeithjohnson.com. They won't see the Instant Rewards Network. So they won't see that. Okay, this can make you look a little bit amateur. Okay, so if you want to stand out and brand yourself as a leader with an original name, create an original name for your site and link it back to this site, okay? Now I'm going to log in with my customer number and my password. All right, and I am logged in, I believe. Hi, Keith, right here. Now, if your customer number, I'll go ahead and show you. You'll get as soon as you make your purchase of your domain, you'll get a confirmation email, and it'll give you your customer number right there. It's highlighted. So I just highlighted that number and I logged in. When you get here, you'll go to the upper right corner where it says Hi Keith, or it'll say your name, and go down to Visit My Account. All right. What you're going to do, take that off screen, you're going to go down here to where it says Domains. So you left click on Domains. Now, I'm not only involved with Instant Rewards, I'm also an affiliate of Motor Club of America. So I'm going to show you in October 2012, I joined Motor Club of America, and I went through the steps of joining. I paid for my membership, and I've been making money with MCA ever since. And they give you a free website, just like Instant Rewards. You get a free website, and this is the website that I got highlighted. http://easymoniemethod2x.com/makengood77. Now, could you imagine a site like that being plastered all over the internet, on a business card, a flyer, a brochure, a car? You know, that's a little bit lengthy, and it's a little bit hard to communicate to a prospect over the phone. So what I decided to do was I wanted to go to GoDaddy, and as a customer, I wanted to purchase me a domain. So I created a domain, motorclubpaysme.com. And I put it in the search, and it was available. Just like Work with Keith Johnson was available, Motor Club Pays Me was available. I was the only one in the world that had that name. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and I paid my $15 membership. And it actually expires at the end of this month. So I have to pay another $15, $15 per year if I want to, or I could go ahead and pay up a few years if I want to. But anyway, Motor Club Pays Me is my domain. So how do I connect that new name to my Easy Money Method site? Okay, because right here, this is the website that I got. So I joined October 1st. So this is the site right here. Okay. Now, when people put that site in their browser, it takes them here. And that to me looks a little bit ugly. Okay. So this is what I wanted to do. Let's say I wanted to get me a domain. So going back, I chose motorclubpaysme.com. I proceeded with checkout. It was available, and like I said, I grabbed it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and hit launch. Okay? You're going to launch that green button and hit launch. And it's going to take you to the domain details page. So you're going to come down here to where it says forwarding. And this takes 2 seconds, guys. It's so simple. Once you pick out your name, log into your account, come down here, hit launch and hit forwarding. Then you're going to hit manage. And what I did right here was I took that URL, okay, and I put it in this box right here, forwarded to, and then I went ahead and hit save in that box, okay, or I could cancel. But once you hit save, you're done, okay? You plug in the old site, okay, and then it becomes the new site, okay? Just like that. It'll be active around the world in about an hour. So when people go to Motor Club of America, motorclubpaysme.com, voila. You know, it's simple. I can use that. It goes to the same site, but it's easier to tell people to go to motorclubpaysme.com over the phone or put that on a flyer than it is to tell them to go to the Easy Money Method 2x.com/makengood77. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that one more time for you guys in case I went too fast. Okay, you log into your account with your customer number and password and go down here to domains, my account, and then you'll go to domains and hit launch. Okay. And then these are your domains that you purchased. You'll go to the domain that you picked out and click on that by left clicking the domain, and it'll take you to the domain details. You'll come down here to forwarding, hit manage, and then you'll go back to your email and you'll take for example, you'll have your Instant Rewards Network. For example, if I wanted a domain for Instant Rewards Network, I will plug that in, instantrewardsnetwork.com/makengood77. I'll put that in there, and then whatever your domain that you selected, you hit save, and it'll be active in under an hour, okay? So that's how it works. And then also what I recommend you to do is come back up here to where it says lock, and you're going to make sure that that lock says on instead of off. And the reason being is because you want to prevent unauthorized domain changes. So you just want to lock it, okay? And that's pretty much it. So if I wanted to, for example, in this example, choose workwithkeithjohnson.com, I would see if it's available, log in my account, go down to domains, select that domain, and I would plug in instantrewardsnetwork.com/makengood77 in the forwarding section, okay? and then it would be available. I would plug in Instant Rewards Network. Let me cancel that. All right, and in that box, I would put the HTTP :/instantrewardsnetwork.com/makengood77, and then when I hit save, okay, and then you're done. You're done, just like that. And then your site, your new domain, will be active, and you can test it out yourself just to make sure it works. Just like I've done, I tested it out with the Easy Money method. Now it's Motor Club Pays Me, okay? And so that Motor Club Pays Me will be the one that I'll be using from now on all my business flyers and stuff like that, talking to clients and etc. Okay, posting ads and all of that. So you're pretty much done. Hopefully that was a clear, easy to understand tutorial on how to get your domain set up. You purchase it, log into your account, and forward your old site in, okay, to connect to the new domain. And that's it. And that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do is we're going to move forward. We're going to talk about different other classified sites that you can post on, and then we'll also go over some script training. So that way when you start to get leads on the phone or through email, you know how to respond to them and get them signed up in your business. So it's been a pleasure working with you thus far. We're going to keep going so that way you can start generating some income with this system. It's awesome. So I will talk to you on the next video. All right, bye.